channel. So in today's video, we're gonna be building my dream vanity. Okay, I wanted a vanity for I don't know how many years, but it finally came in the mail. So this is what today's video is gonna be about. And y'all just gonna see me building it, you know. This is probably the mirror. This first part. Look at all of this. Alright, chat. I built these already.
Hey, Lo. Go over there if you're gonna throw up, bro. You about to blow mine.
Where's CR? I don't see no damn CR. I know it's a zippo. It's not saying button. Look at Bella trying to make up in the room. He's watching her. No, he's watching her. What happened?
She keeps doing this. Look at my legs.
Alright, this is about to piss me off. Let me go check the food. Alright, y'all, this is how far I got. The little shelves right there. And then I'm just confused with this part right here. Cause I think I did this wrong. I think I was supposed to put the curved one, I'm not sure, but I'm about to look on YouTube and ask YouTube for help because at this point, yeah. When I tell you I'm pissed off, I'm pissed off. I started working on the drawers because this one part is just confusing the crap out of me. Number 12, yeah, it's confusing me. I don't know what the hell. I know these go for the drawers. It gotta be. But that one is, the way it's showing in the pictures, it's throwing me off. So I don't got time for this. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm doing the drawers right now. So yeah, number 21. Which is right here. Oh, so right here is 8. So you just attach it to this and you set. You set. Boom. And then you want to put the little bees, on the outer corner. You know what's crazy? I looked up this vanity on YouTube and I can't find no videos to help me. Like, why? Then it just locks in place. And who's taking off these numbers? Not me. I don't got time. Boom. That one's done. Alright, I just did the drawing. respectfully, it's a screw I didn't put in. It's not adding up. It's not. So I just left that screw empty. I don't know what's gonna happen with that back there, but now I'm just working on the top. This thing is pissing me off already. I just gotta put the mirror anywhere. It's on the wrong side. I was about to get scared. This is the little vanity or whatever. I took like 85 years building it, and it was pissing me off. Boom, boom, boom. My little camera right there. I'm gonna put my other two right here. So there's the drawers. So I'm gonna rank in there. This, I'm gonna have my brother do this part because I was confused. So he's coming to my mom. So I left the pieces in here for him to do that. And that's in the back. And then this the bottom. I don't know which one I like more. Probably this. No. Probably this one.